Today out here. That's the top of my wood pile I'm looking over pretty easily right now for some strange reason. Beautiful sunset. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful. But other than the old truck, I wouldn't mind that toy. But next year I'm going to do something a little different, because here's the problem. That's wood pile. And down here is where I get my wood. Look at that. There's a shovel. And I got to go down in there and pull out those loggies, split those puppies up, and all this snow that I'm standing on top of. Whoops, just sank a bit. There was a soft spot. But anyway, that shows you how much snow we got. Anyway, no snow, snow. And I'm packing it out that way and around. Hopefully I can get my truck back in there and carry some of these rounds out. I don't want to carry them one by one. Anyway, next year will be different.